Wednesday the 17th of August 2022, DC 4876 was brought out of storage in Dunedin and towed to Christchurch on train 920D. The locomotive has been donated to the National Railway Museum of New Zealand, being established at Ferrymead Heritage Park. On its journey to Christchurch, 4876 was towed behind EFI DXC 5212 and classmate DC 4951, the last of the 5 hut rebuilt DCs, still in revenue service in its ex-Auckland Suburban colours. Picking up tonnage from Ashburton Yard. DC 4876 paired with Sister 4409 on the now discontinued Gold Ore track from Palmerston back in March 2016. Two weeks later, on the 31st of August, 4876 was towed from Middleton to Ferrymead behind classmate DC 4726 and DXB 5137. DSG 3168 was an empty rake from Littleton towards Christchurch. Shortly afterwards, DC 4876 was propelled the short distance from Woolston Yard to the Ferrymead siding. 4876, the most original example of the DC class lift, and the last to be rebuilt by Clyde Engineering, finally on site at its new home, situated deep within the Heathcote Valley,